everybody. My name is Heather Grande, and I am your oral interpersonal communication instructor for our online course.
And my name is Jeff Pepper, and I am the business ethics instructor for our online linked course.
We just wanted to take a couple of minutes to introduce ourselves together because you're going to be working with both of us throughout the semester in your online course. And we thought it would be great for you to see us together so you know that we interact with one another and we will be interacting with you together as well in the online course.
We've actually had the opportunity to do this as a linked face-to-face course, and both of us feel really good about how that turned out. It was a great experience for us, and I think it was a great experience for the students as well.
I agree, and we not only collaborate with each other, we collaborate with you, our students. So when you're talking to one of us, you're going to be talking to both of us, even though you might say, come to me with a question that you have related to Jeff's class or vice versa. I will be talking to Jeff about that, and he'll be talking to me about that. We just kind of wanted to take a minute to explain what a linked course is, the idea behind it. It's a way for general education courses such as mine and business courses such as Jeff's to collaborate to increase student engagement and completion in a course. Research has shown that knowledge is constructed by humans through social interaction. That's why Jeff and I are trying to be social with you today. And therefore, learning communities where instructors and students act together to construct meaning and understanding increase that student engagement and increase students' understanding of the content. Is that right?
Absolutely. I also think it helps to really strengthen the understanding and the link between general education courses and program courses, and why it is so important that program courses understand the importance of things like oral or interpersonal communication and how that relates to what we're trying to do in the programs with our students. So you get that connection as well.
So Jeff and I are, sorry about the phone. Jeff and I will have two major assignments that equate to 30% of our linked course. You're going to be doing it in both of our courses, and we picked major assignments on purpose. We picked an ethical interview paper and an ethical presentation, and those are worth a lot of points in both of our classes. You're going to see in each lesson for my class and for Jeff's class that it's the same assignment. We're going to be grading, but we're going to be grading based upon our areas of content. So you will need to turn in the same assignment in my class, in my lesson, that you would be in Jeff's class for Jeff's lesson.
Yeah, and of course the big advantage there is you're only doing that assignment once, but it gets to be submitted to two classes, so it saves you a little bit of work as well. So that's a real bonus of this process.
Jeff and I are really excited about the opportunity to get to work with you as it relates to both of our courses. So please don't hesitate to email, call. If you're on campus, stop on by. And I'm sure Jeff and I will be doing, we like to call them podcasts, throughout the semester with you. So stay tuned for further updates. Be checking your email, checking alerts in E360, and letting us know if you have any questions.
We're really excited to get this process started, and we're looking forward to getting your input on how you feel about this linked course as we go through the semester. So looking forward to seeing you all online.
We'll be in touch.